Hi everyone, Byron Martin here at Logee's Greenhouses, and today we're going to be talking about one of our oldest and probably one of the most famous plants we have in our collection, our Ponderosa lemon tree. It was brought into the greenhouses in 1900 and it got planted in the ground about 10 or 15 years after it arrived here. And it's been here ever since. And this small greenhouse, we actually named it the Lemon Tree House, where this lemon has been for 120 years or so. It's actually a little older than that, in that it came up from Philadelphia in a large tub. It was brought up by train, and there's a story in the family of my grandfather picking it up on the horse and buggy from the railroad siding, along with a few other plants. The Ponderosa lemon is actually a hybrid between the Citron, which is a very large, thick rind fruit, and the table lemon. It's also known as the American Wonder Lemon because it was found in Central America and thought to be native there. There's a story that goes along with that, but obviously was traced back genetically to the trees that were in Italy. So it's really a citrus that isn't New World, but Old World. And the fruit get to be very large. Let's see, we pick a big one off here. This is probably 2 pounds, maybe 3 pounds of lemon, and the rind is quite thick on it and has a very strong smell to it. Really rich in terms of the amount of oils that are in the skin. It can be used for making lemonade, it can be used for baking or cooking. I think online we have a recipe for making lemon bread out of it. It has a lot of aromatics, as I mentioned, in it, and the fruit is filled with juice. So let's cut it open and see what it looks like inside. Also has a lot of seeds, but that's not unusual for lemons. So there you go. And interesting enough, this is actually at the very end of its fruiting cycle, although it goes on for a period of time. Usually Christmas time is peak. It's early December, mid-December down to Christmas. So I can actually see inside here some of the seeds are starting to sprout. So it's been hanging on the tree for a long time, but still there's plenty of juice in that, and you could simply cut it open and squeeze it to get the juice out for cooking or eating. Thank you for coming on this journey of over 100 years of Ponderosa lemon at Logee's. And here we go. Yep, that's a lemon. Oh. And for more information, you can find us online at logees.com.